Hi everyone, it's Tara with the Vellum Bee, and I want to show you my newest mini album kit that is available now on the website, thevellumbee.com. This is a waterfall album, and on the outside it measures 4.5 inches by 8.5 inches, but it opens up to reveal a beautiful waterfall and some pockets on the inside. The paper collection that I used for this mini album is the Take a Walk on the Wild Side by Photoplay Paper, and it is full of animal prints and tribal designs, and it is so sweet and adorable. You are going to love it. This album is tied with this fabulous wide leopard print ribbon, and on the front there is a chipboard panel that is decorated with lots of the elements from the paper collection, including some of the cardstock elements and the stickers. Then you can see it opens up and there are two pockets on the left side. On the top pocket, I've made two tags to fit in there, and you can put photos, journaling, or mementos on both sides of each tag. In the bottom pocket, I simply cut up some of the extra 3x4 journaling cards of the collection, punched a hole in them, and tied them together with a little bit of twine. And this gives you a whole little booklet ready for photos or journaling, or again, some mementos. On the right side of the album is my favorite part, which is the waterfall. I have created 9 4x4 photo flips in a waterfall fashion that open up to reveal even more of this adorable paper collection. And I have created all of the pages so that the stickers and the cardstock ephemera are popped up so that you can easily slide a photo or a memento behind them. And they even have cute embellishments on them. There's some enamel dots, there's some die cuts, more of the cute stickers. There's even a journaling card on one of the pages, and on this last page you can slip a photo behind those masks. All in all, this is a super easy album to make, and it turns out so adorable. It comes as a complete kit that is ready for you to assemble, so make sure you check it out at thevellumbee.com, and you can see more of my mini albums there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.